Hey everyone, this is Zactic and welcome back to another video. Today we are going to discuss about how I made these magical trails in Photoshop which I recently posted on Instagram. So in today's video we are going to discuss about that, so let's begin. So I used these few pictures to make that glowing kind of effect. By the way, if you want to download it, links are in the description, go and check it out. Now once you download the images, bring it into Photoshop and here we're going to do the magic. So the first thing what you have to do, you have to take a part of the image by using the lasso tool. Then press Ctrl+J to make a copy of it. Now it's time to change the size and dimension of this picture. So we are going to use the puppet warp tool, select the edges and then move it accordingly. You can also use the liquify tool to give it a bit more curvy effect. The liquify tool gives you more control over your image, so I always recommend you to use this. Next we have to remove this black background from the image. So we have to change the blend mode to linear dodge or screen. Now there are few extra edges in this image, so to remove that we have to create a mask, take a soft round brush and keep the opacity below 15% and just paint slowly on the edges. Next we have to change the color of this overlay, so we have to choose a hue and saturation adjustment layer and then click on the clipping mask so that it only affects the subject, and then just increase the saturation a little bit and just change the hue accordingly. Now it's time to add few glow in our image, so for that we have to create a new layer, change the blend mode to color dodge and take a soft round brush, make the opacity below 15 and paint slowly on the edges to give it a really beautiful glow effect. And finally we have to add few particles on our image and that's it. Now it took me approximately 6 hours to create this artwork. It was a hell lot of work and I had to repeat the same technique again and again. So it was a bit difficult for mouse user, but the end result is in front of you. So this was the small tutorial regarding the magical trails which I created. I hope you like this video, and if you like it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe my channel to get more tutorial like this. Till then, that's all for today and I will see you in the next video.